Midin ashita ubabibia na in the name of fashion. 10 years now, for 10 years now. Yes, Misha Seji Award, which is way back 2017. Yes, Miji Glam Style Awards, Best Fashion Designer, back to back. Just a tailoring shop where a fashion designer, me wo shop nimna me yejuma. Ebi asuyapon editite fashion because it was a we SS. Nanka o to aso akọ university a na okwakoye fashion wo university nipa 30 kura na years and kura na nipa be 120 na ya graduate you within the minimum of 4 years. Me shall say with music. Yes. Me a show-based person. Yes, me a show-based person. Onu hu ni say wako online akọ kinkan sakode hu nsem bi enti approach sakode ne brand bi ehia ya omu delay ya no opese sa approach na no ono ti o hase no ono pese ono sa approach no oni delay but say we underground artist na oba e say o present you as an underground artist say dem be ya wo de ne nkoye say you are coming in for business only be for any less privileged people no e betimi dia abo omo.
Ajuma na o ye no ajuma na o ye na umpene why hey see bo. Yo, it's your boy Wankolo, Imadek TV, involving the youth. Watch it. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, baby. I'll show me if you be I mean inshallah say okoso na o subscribe to Imadek TV and then your Samsung e share bi mu a ye de ye know I mean your usual interviews are ye e bro. Ye je ne say ye bebo ama wo mo bo mo ho modern wo ma Ghana mu no ye betimi ama wahu wo mo ba bia mo bia no enipa bibiri na eye adwumaden e de aboa o man Ghana but eduru ba bia ya na say ye be you wo mo pia na say o mo recognition no aya na wo form kakra esan say wo mo ni platform bia e wo say amanfo hu miwa sankofo no so yo nkofo bia sanka ye discover what one can be say we have a lot of people who are really supporting and helping Ghana as a nation. Anti Ejuma Imadek TV dey ato ye ho no say ye be chinchine wo man Ghana mu ni ohia moa ni e obre a ohia moa ni oye yarefo a ohia moa ni oye adwumaden ni wabi adwuma wafa nkofo ene ade nyina no ye ne sankofo nyina ba etwen komo enti enne nyame adom ye wosua ne sesia ye de dwumadie we e de brewa ye one of the finest fashion designer ewo on my Ghana munyesunya ne kwa on my Ghana san say waje international awards nyina na say national awards nyina no waje bi da woni akuku danfo akọ into competition na ni nyina no why winning and as why meji as a winner enti wonye jesunya ne kwa na oye na adwuma ne mum ba on my Ghana ha say ya amanfo enim nipa minim kwa just recently emra COVID-19 eba 2020 no wo mo ye approve wo mo nose mask na omo pam no wo mo ye approve ana se FDA ye approve wo mo no na ono eka sankofo no ho ene yaba ne nkyenya ne baba etwen komo medin edi Imadek ye twa ho agen krato eba ye betu aso.
I know you want me, boot up for you. Hey, so you tryna always calling me. I give my heart, oh baby. How could you let it slip away? Hello, lovely people of Ghana. Hello, BA. Hello, Sunyana. This is your girl, Naja Ferry. Yeah. Charlie, I want you to keep watching Imadek TV and don't forget to subscribe to their YouTube channel. And in fact, you really love their shows. That's still your girl, Naja Ferry. Yeah.
Samsung akwa ba bium ediba Imadek TV so say ene mo Samsung nya bre na mo twen ye na ye di sadwuma pa we ya ye ba bedi edibro ene me wo sunyane amene one of the finest fashion designer me bo ni din ananse me kan ye no ono ne baba etwen komo ye wo Kenzie fashion design ananse Kenzie fashion wear ho ena ye wo sisi a ye ne no baba etwen komo o wadwuma mu a wo ye adwuma but yaba ne nchen atense wanyamre nso ama ye ne baba etwen komo Kenzie akwaba.
Yes sir, Imadek.
Se bia boko.
Yami adum bibia boko.
Wase se yaba na why busy na wa ma emre. Ya nkomo ne no baba etwen san se yenim se wo bo ho modern e wo man Ghana. Ye de yenim se ye flow Kenzie but obema ahwefo ne wo mo a show a free and muti free baby I say you can Kenzie wine Kenzie na ashase no e fa hen be duru say.
All right, yebedi kan the enchiama wana ohwe Imadec TV Samray na yamamo akwaba e de abasa adwumade we so. Yes. Yakasa Kenzia Kenzia branch bia sorry was Sunyane. Yes. Na oye obi opamade. Yes. Midian Sansa de Said Al Hassan Tariq. Yes. Me Muslim. Yes. Na fashion ena ya fatu ya ho se yebeye enti se midin ashita oba bibia na in the name of fashion. Yes. So Kenzie Abranti a also yani haya.
So Kenzie Abranti started fashion say. Dear ne push you more into ma go into fashion.
Well, make I say fashion dear adwuma na ewofie. But nshase no man nshase with fashion. Yes, I started with music. Yes, na later no na I was say fashion and music under one industry, the creative art industry. So I had a free fee and I'm saying music. So music and fashion no and I'm who say yeah, some two ni na blend there. It will take me to another level. That is why later no fashion but fashion need a juma a free fee ankasa. Yes.
So nyame adum sisi a wa go into weja music go into fashion. We go so we how many years ni na why yes adwuma we?
Yeah, me can say my adwuma we for 10 years now. For 10 years now. But me can professionally say yeah build nearby no company 6 years. Say any company 6 years ni.
Okay, you go so ane Kenzie Fashions airtrain and komo. You will see ane ho na adwuma die kese no ewa ye no airtrain komo. Yatinyan ntie se wo kogege awards bi obetumi aka nsem kakra fasa awards no. Yes.
Award ni de this year 2021. Yes, Misha Sergi award which is way back 2017. Yes, Miji Glam Style Awards best fashion designer back to back. Yes, Miji 2017 and Msambeji 2018. So 2019 na I was say ya pimko yenim nti mekwaje best fashion designer enu ye national award Ghana Modeling Industry Awards enu de award baako a metima ka say one of the fashion awards na eson ewo Ghana ha. Yes, many the likes of Elikem, the likes of Abrantier, the Taylor, Sankrofo we na many omo. Yes, ekopre but Yankopon adom ejisa award no e de bre bronga afo ni Ghana nyina.
That's pass what me ate bono ene hafo enim kese pa because yenso nyan ntie te se Elikem abo ndi I mean almost one of the best fashion designer ever man Ghana, but to be able to overcome him and emerge as a winner, and I think it's a great achievement. Fashion na way, but most of the times you beba hebiano enye nipa ba kumienu ase nipa bebre santi akra de me kem se wonam sunyane krom kra a chance wo big school bi awate uta hu kofu iso mo hihye mo ntade ni ade ba yenim se nkofu bebre na so no ya na dan ba kumienu bi na machine miensa bi se na wo de no etie.
Yeah, okay, me that say. Say we from the humble beginning no. You shall see would say you be just a tailoring shop or a fashion designer. Me work shop ni na me adwuma. But at the long run no me transi enya me short term plan, the medium plan and then the long term plan. Yet na me short term plan ni say me be adwuma. Na my den na ma pamade as the local fashion designer wa be in a shop ba ku bi na ni machines be me and 9 bi ewo. But the medium plan no na school and then I was operate. So we started from Kenzie Designs. Kenzie Designs no an entity a ewo ho and I work Kenzie Fashion Institute. Baby I TCC Kenzie Fashion Institute lab and ye no metimaka say a school for more under the Kenzie Fashion Institute no metimaka say we are over 100 omo students are omusua fashion Kenzie Fashion Institute and also ne one and only fashion school the 3 Bono regions are the Bono region the Ahafo any Bono East ni nyina no school ba ko fashion school me fa ne senka ye di ba ye kasa mo anka be kan say e bia suapon ye di tete fashion because it was a we SS nanka o to aso akọ university na okwakoye fashion or university but university ni ma 80% theory 20% practical enti ube wie university no we pursue fashion no na the theory aspect no hobet practical ni ho enti yesu ye say ye de enkrata be kwa ban mu ni ahwe say ombe my accreditation say yesu betimi abie sa school ni bia yenye de ne 20% theory and 80% practicals enti na ye wo a lot of students mo pursue omo fashion career e Kenzie Fashion Institute.
Na se meaning say oba Kenzie na enye terrain adwuma nkwa na mo ye nemu say it's an institution ankasa say school amanfo tumi wie secondary school kraba ebe pon wo mo no enti o started say wo ye no as institution no how many years na if more graduate and nipa do say na graduate
omo ma graduate there off head mean can but metimaka say nipa be 60 or 80 and I graduate because you graduate September we be exams exam September we you graduate 4 batches 4 batches no omo be graduate bia ebro even 25 omo recently omo exams ne nipa makomako 28 any exams just recently until September we be sign exams and also omo as now omo be register nipa makomako 23 until mo jide say ebia by the close of August no na omo be exams ni na register omo we bit me nipa be 30 so for consecutive time no crowd make say nipa be 120 if all things being equal na say nipa 30 crowd na exams no crowd na nipa be 120 and I graduate omo within the minimum of 4 years.
Yene Kenzie na ye Kesaf the CEO announced the owner of Kenzie Fashion Design and on one soon as Kenzie Fashion Institute on you go see an train and come on Sunyane na Obutu oye ni dwumadi and Obana has is a big place a lot of students a lot of people has they have a unique uniform or mosha unhu omu okrum bia no say ampa we Kenzie enkola ni bia ye go so train and come ye twa ye ho agenkrato e ba ye betu aso median de imade twan me.
Hey yo, what up? This is your girl Olike. I'm here live on Imadek TV. Keep supporting Imadek TV. Keep watching Imadek TV. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yes, I'm kwa ba bi e ba Imadek TV so say wajibre na gusu o share mesro o share na o subscribe amaye o subscribe a notification no and so mema remfi bell na wo ho no click bell no so I won't say all be aba no click all no so say be ya video bi e de to YouTube ya no and e be upload bi no obenya bi ahwe me ka no kra che say Imadek TV enema ya pese de bro e enema e do so entinya gidi na subscribe to your YouTube channel na pushy na comment maye esan say mo support you in that regard and answer say kwan so na nyame boa na enema ekuya trust me say ye woni ma pa bebre aye de bebre mo na ye gu so ene Kenzie twen komo a enkomo no ai de mamisa question we sunyane ne ye wo na most at times a lot of programs course sunyane outside sunyane even outside the 3 regions now you huni say o can part of the sponsors no and so media aye ju bia me na kakra say o co sponsor na etua o ka and are saying what is the secret and why do you always sponsor most of these programs?
Medasi yes I say no me shall say with music. Yes. Me a show-based person. Yes, me a show-based person. So anything show-based your brand as Kenzie Kenzie Designs and then Kenzie Fashion Institute, you know. Yes, we chefa. Your name say we have to give it back to that society, and the society we are from is Ghana and Ghana no so any bibia edi yan babedru bibia enne yadru no enti yaso yen hihye mu no ewo mu se dwumadie bia ebeba bia no ewo se yeso so etimi eden yeso etimi edi yensa ewuram bi na yeso etimi pushi se de be ya dwumadie no emfaso beba so na afi so no Ghana nyina anya so emfaso eni ntina abre na abre nyina no se program bia ekoso a ya na obeti se the brand Kenzie no ewo mu a yeso so yede yemo kakra bitimi dia boa sa brand na organize our program no. Say the program no because
okay. Okay, so now what can be say we a showbiz person and wedding come here to say you've been a musician before. Now Bono region Ahafo and Bono East. Ye nim say mu nyini wa ha na mo ye mpanyimfo nso wo anyum tu nim. Say we showbiz person you sure say what ati anyum ye mranti anyum moto as compensation ye say Kumerica for sorry a enye ize ne o mabaji bebia afa dia na yekoso what is happening to our music industry e wobono 3 regions
the metimi aka and say with the little experience yenso ye wo no it seems say we are seeing now about a global village enti being a global village you know ya na esua ne mabi e wa bonten but ndem na ya na esua no edu abi bia na etra yes ya na etra nsem ni bi ho a yentimi nka no on camera but utimi ka say e bia for instance an artist beba won chen enhihye ya e bia nka sorry to say e bia sa akode ye beba me office ana Stonebwoy beba me office ana Shatta beba me office enhihye ya e bia me ne beko no sanipa na we the underground artist e wasenka e bia ono ne de ne different thing no ono hu ni say wako online akọ kinkan sakode hu nsem bi enti approach sakode ne brand bi ehia ya omu delay ya no opese sa approach na no ono ne ono ti ha say no ono pese ono sa approach no oni wu delay but to be honest with you sa approach no the bar no kran say emoa ohia samre no unya because sakode ne sa enkrofo no mo the limelight mu no omo no ekita a lot of followers omo kita omo brand near very big brand enti se oya de na oye de beboa ono na osusu a oba mu no osu pese osu nya de be kakra betima de aboa but se we underground artist na oba e so o present you as an underground artist say dem be ya wo de nkoye say you are coming in for business but Obama bi mo aye den aboa to the limelight and no ne ade a me hu ni say the 3 Bono region artist no elake emra oba wanim no oba wanim as a professional brander ono no hu ni say enye mo na oba de obepa free wo ho nemum no ono oba for business and saade no so no e ade ba ko a etwe ya artist no e ko
achi being somebody you've been in this industry no wonim wo experience wo no what do you think this artist no they need to do there now who say be our somo
yes it was ahombrase ne ma edikan even adwuma yeye enye ahombrase a yen certificate na kita ye no nko ano entimi mfa ye nkodu be bia ye pese ye duru no yes nipa na ohia ade afiri no ho no oni na ye the number 1 priority I was utinase na uhwe de we ya opena de na watimi aye ne pepepe so aye de e de ama no entimi mesere se ye artist omo ye region ha no omo brafom na afenso so yenye baako to be honest with you obia ejini hudi se bebia me maduru no me nko ametimi aye de metimi aye ma de but onsum ye se eni nipa e wo se obi boa no so boa obi ansa na ye bebia pese eduru no yetimi aduru but individually ye ka se ye be kwa honestly yentimi nko
apart from say artist no ebi ananse ahobrase ni bi ni ade wo no sunyane ha no kem se asempanyfo no so emmoa omunsemu edi sana me de bia me hu no ona abonten so a wote se nkofo kire se mpanyfo ohwe a eye mpanyfo no ana eye suban bi omhu no wabonten ntina ma ommoa
enye mpanyfo na ena enye artist no so enfum so se bidum mfa omusika enhye omu branding but kakra me metimi aka ne se ye mpanyfo na omwo ye area ha no they are not fan of music. Yo escafo e wo krom ha sen a se ekoba se single handedly nipa ba ko e be se otimi ma artist be 10 eba to the mainstream wa enka ni sika betimi aye ni peanut betimi aye den etimi aye but sankrofo ni nyina no omo business ni nye the music aspect or the showbiz aspect of business ye mu bi na betimi aka say fully we are into showbiz one way or the other no ye betimi aka say ye moa betimi aka almost 80% of artists ni din kakra peja ewo the three bono region there ye influence kakra ewom ena nipa no watima do baby awodru no but senke nya penimfo no mo anim no ena nka mo interest wo music mo dia I can base say Bronga have we have a lot of talent nemum ye penimfo no obia wo baby a person wadi nesika den ekwahye oni interest ewo music mu enti za wo so o sika on for sika be show music ni mo honestly sika na be ko mfaso nya den emma but they are very good business people baby odin sika kwahye no yield very profits the man but the moment you be shifted to music to be honest with you yes can say bio odiko shame na den na kam enti business and I feel their own shade nim no I know person with this ka be den e de be ho eno ni secret no
all right enti eguso ene kenzi twen komo wo chire ye nsemu ye person say ono de ba no the industry wom say or your fashion designer near there but he has been a musician before and he knows the ins and out of the music in the answer show business because ni na can creative arts industry no ho you go so aye no twen komo yemra back to ade pam ne ade no ene no most of the youth every secondary school na aka say onko sua ade pam ne ade a ebi mu hu ni say anase emre bi atwa mu mpo na ebi mu hu ni say anka enya adwuma o ka kra kire no kra na ne bu kra ade afu ube mu obi na page ibi machine ba ku mienu bi na esi baabi ene kwa de monya electrical machines amwe o compare that time no any in the na hu ni say youth no one more patronage e was fashion design adwuma we no it is saying difference wa bem
difference bebre patronage no soro first nanka uko into fashion na tailor say dey na ye kan no the tailor word nanka sansa no a fashion word enti say ka say we tailor na ye degrade o profession no name no na adwene ne tachire ni say school na anya yi a mami sa ni bi no bi ni adepam no me kwa ne sa but this time around me make say insanu juma bia e wo ho no I stand to be corrected make say fashion patronage no fashion so very broad there but ye ba no adepam na metimaka say patronage no wo soro sene insanu juma bia metimaka say CCA fashion e wo Ghana ha
say youth no patronage o money je ho pa
yes
be secondary school
yes patronage ni there metimaka say is very very high but yana dodo na akoye emma no doso sene emema no emma no doso sene emema no but ye ka omo patronize say omeko into fashion I can best tell you say Adepam ekita the major stakeholder.
It is Adepam ekita the major year. Mami misao, what does it take for someone to come to you say obeye adwuma? So we person oba won chebeye adwuma. E dey ben requirement. Dey bad no hia e kire say nipa no obetimi no waba beye adwuma.
Say odimba beye adwuma no me pese e bia obechire mu yie.
Say e bia mfan say obi a oda bi afi na wo be pam ade we secondary school so what does it take for that person to be able to enroll in your school?
Yes, very well. I think say it's very very simple. Say obese we join Kenzie Fashion Institute near edikan ya na yehwe pa ne say watwere wakenkan ekoyi na because you know the theory aspect of fashion you know only the practical nko and before so obey the practical no you have 1 year no more of the theory now for the rest of years ni nyina no akwakoye the practical aspect.
How many years?
Over 3 years. Okay. Now even 1 year na edikan no unye theory no nko full year but oye theory and then project works. Theory and project works. It no opam na oye theory aspect. Opam na oye theory aspect. But 1 year ni end there na ya mo hu say yen syllabus a ye dey ma for the theory aspect no asi na fe dey near aka no more of the practicals no kopem say obewie enti say wa wie ss na utimi twere ekenkan yie nko ade a qualifications of Kenzie Fashion Institute no
age wise mochi from the age ekopem the age and answer munni bia
ye ni specific age bia even say 50 years na still o person pursue fashion a ye ma okwan sisi e o ma mo ha yi ye wo omo a fresh afi no ma we SSR o ma ba bidum kura awie university but ohun say no I have to go into fashion ono so wa ha bi o ho a oye teacher ni obi o ho a oye adwuma o bank obi o ho a oye nurse obi so ye wari ni kura wono waware a oye ebia housewife obi e ono an adwuma na oye but opese dachim bia no onya the knowledge of fashion sankrofo ni nyina e wo ha yes
Kenzie design e wo suane ha na mubutu menim sem wo branches wo any other place but obi hwe o wa Accra Kumasi baby an opese oba ontumi man fansan ehye bi wo ho de masa nipa no
yes CCA yegusu a yesi in hostel e oba bibia enchekura no ye be movie school ni nyina to ye ho na momu no CCA enhyehyɛ wo ho ne sɛ so obi free achiri o ma mo ha kura make say 80% of our students in free Bono region in free ahafo be 30% of our students in a free SA3 region way being free Western North, be free Central region, be free Northern region, be free Greater Accra, be free Upper East, Upper West. Make say the 16 regions of Ghana, you was a representative no, omu nyina bi e wa ha. Be 70% in free sa area no enaba. But omu nyina no ye je omo. Se obi e ye hoho na e bia memfa ne se wa free nkran ba be duru sunya ne nne. Na ontimi sign ne ye but waba be ye ne dwuma die nyina wi o honestly yankopon aboy kakra yeso so ye wo fia esi ho a institution na atimi anya enye se yakohan yen dia e wo ho uba pe be bia obeda ma de achew ansa na wasan ato wo nkwantuo so ne de problem bia ni ho obi wo kra otimi ba na yenya dan a obe tenam because afini yenye hostel enti se wo han dan ndi onyanya ne dan kra no yo fie esi ho a students ni bi edam kopim se o dan be ready me to maka say yo student be 5 CCA ya omu nyina ti fie ho a omu twen se omu dan a yebenya ma omu no e be ready but me ba school ha na mafo magu kam na me do maide me do ma ba mi kofia na me do omukọ bi o ho 2 days 3 days ni anya dan bi o ho 1 week ni anya dan na da ma no enti se o ba Kenzie Fashion Institute ni de be obeda de enya how yes
eti Kenzie Fashion Institute ali guso ayi gina yi yemfa ne se ye wo schools admission omo se September nkwa no mo admission ebi won so omo se omo ye ne September any January Kenzie Fashion Designs at what month and at the time and mo ye admission na mo school fees no so no bo no ete say
yen ankasa no ye exams twice in every year ye April nano April nano Saturday we 2 weeks ye exams ewa ha ye exams ena September ye exams so eba no ye exams April and September ena ye exams nemu no say eba no ye admission dia ye admission here continuous admission from January to December nemu no ye geno in batches ye fa the January batch for na never before the April batch CCA new batch ewo ho e be fa new batch bi o mo adi say August enti CCA April no ya close April batch for no as say any April for no as start class just 2 weeks in start class enti wo ababa ne ye be ka kire say wo no ye be admit o ne ka kire say o time start August obi ba May August obi ba June July August and obi ba first week of August na or a part of August no almost so here one batch na fe ya close August batch na fe ya bebie the December batch into from September October November any December no mo mabba ni nyina no mo ye January batch into December no ye vacation no so here first year for no first year for no kwani vacate mu December na moko na afi omo second year a ombeko mo third year ne de omo na wo ha omo ye adwuma because ono no obeko to ohia more of the practicals in the same in your admissions esifati yes yesika 7 there ensheda anya den comparing to dwumadi a yen yedi ema fashion industry no to binumu amwo nkran say ye fees ni there yen fees ni very peanut but the mechanic say enhyehyeye pa ena yen ye wo e de ma yen students no for instance oba na ya admit wi a yen yemon 1 year say sika wasen ka ya jew e bia ye say ya jew 100 cedis as yen fee ni nyina na fee no ya spread am for 1 year say 1 year ni nyina oka no say na tie nemum no every month bia no betua ni say obi su kan say oh me dem pese me ye no 2 months na me di tua me kan nyina wie yen ye hyehyɛ ya ye wo ha no very flexible so obi aka say opese odwen Kenzie Fashion Institute wa choose ba bia wo say odin ne ho ebebo
I think say Kenzie Fashion Institute say obi a wo bono East Ahafo until Kenzie Fashion Institute ebi enkan dia ebi ana afena tani pan wo bedwuru any of these 3 regions.
I can say
yes na ebi afena ni pan wo bedwuru esan say mudin die ubodin Kenzie Fashion na obia eniumo. And I remember I said time coronavirus no by now I was in Accra but me who mo yi no bibia wo City TV news now it was very nice. I just said I was very 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 happy about that particular course now my minister say apart from ABS Union say in the nearest future Kenzie Fashion Design ebetumi atra na shema koduru any part of the regions in the country
yeah very sure eka a long term plan no say senka ibenya kura na nanka your institution no ashita across the 16 region yeguso a yetu ho anamo yankopon ya adomo a saade ne ebeba enye emretintin kura with your plans yen ede ye nimu ni de ye gidi se ye bedru ho na emom no ye pese ye move from bibia ye wono to ye school na nkasa bibia ye school no wono na afi de ya start a build afri ho na ye koyenim
alright sisi ano yedi nkomo bebre ye ne Kenzie edi nkomo bebre wa chechire nsem niema bebre ye fa adwuma no ho wo pese wo ba bi wo wie secondary school wo ye wa wie university wa wo ye nurse ni whoever you are wo fie bia no I think say o qualify so betumi as long as we nim twere kakra na otumi nim ekenkan ade I think say you are welcome to enroll in Kenzie Fashion Design. Trust me say me personally I can testify to it. I know of one guy or young couple we I think say no ankasa could be in a shop he's doing marvelously well. Sometimes because social media me hunter dey bia so no an wapam say wow obi to me kosua adwuma e ma na pon no ho be yes so good say there I think say you are also welcome. Now ye be ko ne krakra asembe na wo catch the youth otifie hunu say the results one pass ohun say oni ani da so bia ye body pam so kra kire na ne bu afu sankofo no asembe na wo ka kire o mo we are now the social media handles at Obant.
All right ebedasi eyana ye taibo bi mudin na ye da yem fanto ho but some of us are as an example yes baby ye free ba no sabi o ye wo fompa but yame adom se nipa bi mu recognize me no omunim ni ametimi aya na a true fashion where even inside the hakekera na ye wo no se eniema e wo ha yes ye worth na ya convert to sika emuyodu yes and enya premises nko ani unse soro ha nyina yes ye
class some can say oben ha bronsan kese sei age soro nyina de a ene wuska
yes and the nyina na true fashion yes aduma lectures am ha ni nyina no say ye ka eyademu eti meka say fashion ya de ba ko a unu hu da say udu hu ebe wuram ena yes every blessed day ye shata de em say muba machina me say me encounter with some nkrofo bi internet say me call bank me nam kwan so a me ba me ka say me fa car nko I just want to work na even atade a me like in the do am ka say am pay atade we within 10-15 minutes na masi from na it tells you say oh ye na why ni ye nko ade a adwuma no sika wom bisa ho say okita nkwala 10 pe na nkwala 10 no obi apam atade ba ako na atade ba ako no oji 50 cedis a 10 years saying we define say the whole day ni nyina opam atade 1 na atade 1 ni 50 cedis na won kwala 10 a eno nko ane ye 500 so 500 sabo so me yes and obi betima pam 3 obi betima pam 4 a day so ask yourself is one of the business minim business edis cabre ebre nipa no yes what I say but ya na binu mun trans in hwesa na me we nyina ni dia ne say samire we nkosi samire me hu adwuma no na make akire wa brabonim because madam fubi enam ha kire ha say eton pk sabi o me nka say pk adwuma enye but oton pk ede bia onya 3 cities so within 3 years say 3 cities no ono de to ho a nka wanya say entine wo say me susumi kotua me susumi koto pk ni bi na me den na me ton dan say me use me 3 years e dey den e da ba besua adwuma no but omo ka so omo ko school a omo ye me mfefo eno omo social say omo ye ni man ting bia omo ye me mfefo a na omo nim say ye timi sacrifice 3 years enkonkosua no I can best tell you say Yankopon shiraye yes enti eyadia me share mabuni nyina ankran say Kenzie Fashion Institute enye emre ni nyina ene ye hia sika yewo program a ye pese ye de ba youth in fashion yes youth in fashion program a ye behwe onibiefo na pepa no wo ho say ye pese ye call into fashion ye be sponsor omo na ye mo scholarship wo Kenzie Fashion Institute a sankrofo ni nyina no ye pese ye bo omo se ne ye be ya unemployment rate a wo man ni mu no eso beti enti aban ne de no na yeso ye institution so wo ne de a oye me ka se na o kan corona ho asem ye institution trans bisa ye ho se ye ntimi nye enku ye ntimi nye samena ye ntimi nye hand sanitizer enye ye fog no but yeso ni ma bitimi aye de abo aban no nose mask ena aban so the criteria bi to say answer no be qualify say obey nose mask no wo say wodi uniama eko FDA the whole Ghana omo company government and FDA approve ye 46 the whole Ghana now ye 46 out of 46 no Kenzie Fashion Institute and as Kenzie Designs as a brand no it also 25 the whole Ghana nipa omo ko register omo brands but you a lot of people are no mo ye nemani gum no on register but no ye nemani nyina gum but ye dey ye pese ye bibi na ye de bo aban and ye che nose mask over 3,000 good say ye de bo ema aban ni da so say corona no entimi bunkam emfa so no enti yeso so no ya na ye wo ho a ye dwene de ye betimi aye e de aboa oman no enti enye nose mask no ho adwuma ene adwuma ye de bo aban na emum no ye se Kenzie Fashion Institute emero only program a youth in fashion eno oni biefo any less privileged people no ye betimi de aboa omo
enti wana tam dwa no mafre
yeguso ayeto ho anamo ye ne MBSSI di ensawoso se ne be ya aban so ebete de epese ye na ase na fe dwumadi bi oho ani ensawoso bi oho se ye ni dia na fe ye ni na di na fe ya enroll sa program no
it's social media handles platforms ni nyina Kenzie Designs oko all the platform oko Facebook na obo Kenzie Designs obetimi afollow yen oko Instagram so dia obo Kenzie Fashion Designs on Instagram contact me 0244076561 enu de ofra ye befa nemu no say WhatsApp a 0204304009 sa number ne de ofra emma name mu no o WhatsApp yen a ebeba but so person Fred ya 0244076561 I mean sure say your friend na we anansi ye ba wadwuma why business so ama ye kwan ye da wase pa I mean sure okay ye ne Mr. Kenzie ena etwetwe enkomo no na nsem a oka ye no ba bia me depa ne se me ankesa no me ye witness to me anti ba ko a Owie University Catholic University sunyane ese Owie University wie ye no national service okura me yosho se wa ye bi esanse owo school mu no na osanso esua ade pam naturally na ankesa no or you good e was any man nti owo school no start say ene me no kasa no or one of the biggest shop e wosunyane ese ya opama ade a owo nkwala e hye na ase so you see ebia wo mo no mu wie university meka se me wie university kuraja no enso abanya adwuma menye bi ono so nya abanya adwuma but I can tell you say she's even better off than me am tie e san say bosun bi adwa onya ne sika every day bi onya ne sika amanfo oba na amanfo okọ e ti say we wie university now tifie we wie nursing training college adwuma bi school bi a we wie no mesraw say ebeya fa certificate no to kakra emfo ni nto aban so na bra Kenzie fashion designs na bra besua adwuma acha within 3 years o ti sunyane ese nko ampo dia e de obetumi akwa aba wonhunu wani beba ho no na o ye wala la bi na wo sanso yesua adwuma wani beba na 3 years wa wie and o wie a obon say yes even say won mini office mpo na o pamade no wo fie kura na trust me you still have a lot of people bringing their things to you a obepama obinya sika yadama asese mo koso na mo hwe Imadek TV nyame enhyira mo se mo subscribe to your YouTube channel na mo like emaye aya na pese you kwan call outside sunyane ene some part of the country ne yekokofa a lot of interviews and a lot of things amanfo go through bi mo bre ayarefo omuhia moa ne ade ejuba bia ne nyina be sikasem ba wo sika betumi di aboa ne se obe subscribe to your YouTube channel na obe share your videos be my na obe comment amaye no be boa em yesu bi nya bibi kakra afrim afin so we adwuma ku bi na bia opese so ya sene na ebia ye bo adwuma ho dawuro emaw na ye de wadwuma ahye videos mu ne ade na won so no amanfo hu wadwuma obetimi akontate ye number ye good screen so no 0551973717 050624 3396 offer any of these contacts ya yebetimi afia ona ye no ahwen komo ne nso yetimi abo odwuma ho dawuro amanyame enhyira me director obo ame na me di dwumadi ebro Emeka Collins ono na etrenetren ye emedi sa dwumadi ebro si ehia biemu a yebesanso akoso akachira wo senyame enhyira wo hu ye biemu a yebesanso ehia biemu Imadek TV ada foforo bye.